Less requirements, less stress. Korea visa just get easier starting Feb 2026. Waive na ang 3 months bank statements. Effective today, February 20, 2026, mas pinasimple na ang Korea visa requirements. Before, you need to submit bank certificate with ADB and 3 months bank statements. Pero now, waive na ang submission ng 3 months bank statements, meaning kailangan mo lang isubmit is yung bank certificate with ADB. For students naman, before, you need to submit yung original school certificate and yung copy of your student ID. Dalawa yon. Pero now, pwede na either original school certificate or copy of your student ID, meaning isa na lang. Before, common documents per applicant ang submission. Pero now, if group application, 1 copy na lang ng common documents ang needed. This one, I think pinapractice na siya before kasi when we applied for our Korean visa last October 2025, isang copy lang naman yung kinuha for the entire family. This includes yung bank documents ng sponsor and yung affidavit of support. Last update is for the employment documents naman. Before, you need to submit a cover letter explaining why walang landline yung COE mo. Or for example, if electronic signature yung COE mo, kailangan mo ng explanation letter. Pero now, no need for an explanation letter even if wala siyang landline. Even if electronic signature lang yung COE mo, okay lang. As long as merong reachable contact information sa Certificate of Employment mo, okay na. Kahit email address lang yung meron doon or mobile number, okay na siya. There's no need for an explanation letter. That's it for the update, Meliverse. So if matagal mo nang gustong mag-Korea, this might be your sign. Kasi mas less na yung documents na they need and less din yung stress mo sa pagpe-prepare ng documents na to. Save this for your future Korea trip and follow for more travel updates.